Hello friends, in this video we intend to show you how to withdraw Tether via the ERC20 network on the Decode FX broker step by step. When we log in and access the trading dashboard on this broker, in the section for our desired trading account, as you can see, it displays the balance for us. By clicking on this section, the fund management page will open for us. Select the withdrawal section, and as you can see, our trading account is selected at the top. Choose USDT as the withdrawal method. In the first field, you need to enter the desired withdrawal amount, and in the next field, you need to select the transfer network. To select the transfer network, you need to register your ERC20 Tether wallet withdrawal address with the broker. And after entering the address by clicking on the Submit option, an email will be sent to your email address. A confirmation email for the withdrawal address has been sent to our registered email. After confirming, we return to the withdrawal page, and as you can see, our address is listed. You can see our address here in this section. Select the transfer network and in the address field, enter the withdrawal address. Our ERC20 Tether wallet address has been registered. By clicking on the Submit option and confirming it, as you can see, another confirmation link for the withdrawal has been sent to our registered email address. We open the registration email. As you can see, we've received the email. By clicking on the Confirm Withdrawal option, here it states that our withdrawal request has been successfully registered. We return to the trading dashboard, and as you can see, the amount of Tether we wanted has been deducted from our trading account, and in the fund history section, you can review the details of this transaction. The amount we wanted was successfully withdrawn and transferred to our wallet. In future videos, we will go through how to deposit and withdraw other cryptocurrencies together.